Okay, thank you. Everybody ready? Okay, listen. Okay, one. The total cost Cx is given by. Look up. Cx is given by 2x cube minus 7 by 2x square plus x. Find the marginal cost. Can you tell me how do you find out the marginal cost, guys? Yes, marginal cost will be equal to how much? Please tell me. Oh, sorry. 3 2s are 6x square minus 7. 2 and 2 gets cancelled plus 1. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Now, find the point where the marginal cost, this is important. Find the point where the marginal cost cuts x-axis and y-axis, everyone. Now, how do you do this, guys? Ready? Control. X-axis means, okay, any point on x-axis means the y coordinate is going to be 0. And any point on y-axis means the x coordinate is going to be 0. So if they say y-axis, that means the value of x is going to be 0. So marginal cost can be written as y because left hand side is y, right hand side is x. Y equal to, come on, 6x square minus 7x plus 1. So put x as 0, guys. 6 into 0 minus 7 into 0 plus 1. So what is y equal to? So what is the point, guys? 0 comma 1. Is it clear? What about the next one? X axis. X axis means what will be 0? Y. So 0 equal to 6x square minus 7x plus 1. Now doesn't this look like a quadratic equation to you? So quadratic equation means what? 6x square minus 6x minus 1x plus 1. What is common? 6x, x minus 1 minus 1, x minus 1. So you get x minus 1, 6x minus 1. So from here you get x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, what are your points? 1 comma 0 and 1 by 6 comma 0. Is it clear, everyone? If they say cut x-axis or y-axis, this is what you want to do. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now, the next question that was given to us is the feasible region represented by this, see, this is an MCQ. I just want you all to understand, okay, how to solve this. 50x plus 70y. You don't have to solve it. They are just asking you what will be the feasible region. What will be the feasible region? Because when I taught you, I talked about two types of feasible region. One is bounded, the other one is unbounded. Is it clear? Bounded means within four corners, within a boundary. Unbounded means outside the boundary. Now you can easily make out. Can you tell me, is it bounded or unbounded? Yes. Did everyone understand why it's unbounded? Because when you put x as 0, guys, what do you get? 0 is greater than 8. Is that possible? 0 is greater than 10. Is that possible? So the answer will be outside. Outside means, what will be the figure, everyone? Unbounded. And which quadrant, guys? First quadrant. Why first quadrant? Because x is also positive, y is also positive. Is it clear? Remember that. Understood? That is x. I hope you understand this. No, this is your positive x, this is your positive y. So this is your first quadrant, this is negative x, this is positive y. Second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. All questions on LPP will be on the first quadrant because in the first quadrant x and y are positive. Is it clear, everyone? So they can ask you this. It's a worst case scenario. And the other questions you can do it. This question I haven't said. Only like those who have done the theory part properly will be able to do it. So that's why worst case scenario. Is it clear? Okay. Now this question, this is a what do you call? Specific paper question. So I wanted every one of you to. I did this also, and I'm doing it again. Remember that I said that there is a relation between marginal cost and average cost. What was the figure, everyone? The figure was this of this form. This is your average cost and this is your marginal cost. Is it clear? So from here, what can you conclude, guys? From here, what is happening to the average cost? It is decreasing. It is decreasing. What is the answer? So when AC decreases, AC is still greater than MC. In this case, in the second half, what is happening? AC is increasing, AC is increasing, but when AC increases, marginal cost is greater than the average cost. Is it clear? And when AC is constant, marginal cost is also constant at this particular point. Is that clear? And the marginal cost cuts the average cost at the lowest point. At the lowest point. Is it clear? Understood everyone? So specific paper key question I got here. When AC falls, AC is decreasing. What is the relation between AC and MC? Then looking at the graph, what will you see? When AC falls, AC is greater than MC. I hope everyone understood. Understood everyone? Okay, good. Okay, look at this. A company has fixed cost, everyone, fixed cost of 26,000. The cost of producing, making charge is always included in variable cost. The cost of making is given to be 30, so it becomes what? 30x. And if the item sells for rupees, how much is this? 43. So the price at which you are selling is how much, guys? 43. They are asking us to find break-even point. What are they telling us to find? Can't you all find break-even point out here? How do you find break-even point? Please tell me. First, what do I write? Cx is equal to what? Vx plus f. Vx is how much? 30x plus 2600. And what is Rx, guys? P into x. So we have 43x. So from here we can, according to the question, what can you conclude? Rx is equal to Cx. Rx is how much? 43x equal to 30x plus 2600, 1000. And from here you can easily find out. Yes or no, everyone? Understood? This is your break-even point. What is this, everyone? Break-even point. Okay. Next, one question on LPP, guys. This question is very important. I had done this for you all, so I'm doing it again. Okay. The constraints, getting the constraints, I'm going to do it. Listen, a man rides his motorcycle at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. He has to spend rupees 2 per kilometer on petrol. If he rides at the speed of 80 kilometers, increases his speed. He increases his speed, okay. Then the petrol cost increases to rupees 3 per kilometer. He has at most 120 rupees to spend on petrol. At most means maximum. And 1 hour time. So in 1 hour he has to complete the entire duration. Is it clear? Okay, he wishes to maximize the distance. He has to maximize the distance. Okay, so from whatever I have read out here, what you can make out is there are two types of speeds. Is it clear? In the initial phase, he's like riding at a speed of how much? 50 kilometers per hour, and the second is 80 kilometers per hour. Is it clear? These are everyone. These are your speeds. Is it clear? I have to maximize the distance. So let us assume that the distance traveled at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour is x kilometers, and the distance traveled at the speed of 80 kilometers is y. Is it clear, everyone? Next column, what is given to us? Cost is given. What is given, everyone? Cost. If you travel at a speed of 50 kilometers, you have to pay rupees 2 per kilometer. 2 per kilometer. And at 80, you have to pay at a speed, you have to pay rupees 3 per kilometer. Is it clear? So how much money does he have? Please tell me total. 120. Is it clear, everyone? Next up, and time. Time. How long does he have, everyone? 1 hour. But the time is not given to us. Speed and distance is given, so we are going to find the time. That's why this is very, very important. Is it clear? Can you tell me what's the relation, guys? Speed equal to what? Distance upon time. So time equal to distance upon speed. What's the distance? What is the distance? X. What is the speed? 50. What about the distance? Y. What about the speed? Okay, what am I supposed to maximize, guys? Maximize the distance. So maximize distance. So initially we cover a distance of x kilometer. Second phase we cover a distance of y kilometer. So distance is x plus y. Is it clear? Subject 2. What are the restrictions called? Don't forget that. Constraints. Is it clear? So total duita deko cha. So this becomes your constraint. Okay, what about the cost? Cost. If you travel 1 kilometer, how much you have to pay? 2 rupees. How many kilometers are you traveling? So what will be the total cost? 2x plus 3y. Maximum 120 rupees chale. Maximum means what? Less than or equal to. Is that clear? Now looking at this, tell me, is this bounded or unbounded?
It's bounded.
It is bounded. Why? 0 lagao. 2 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 0 is less than or equal to 120. So 0 means 120 is greater. So answer will be inside. Is it clear? So this is the first one. What is this, everyone? First one. Okay, what about the second one, please? Time. Initially, kati time lagyo? X by 50 plus y by 80. Maximum less than or equal to 1. This is already in intercept form. You just have to convert this into intercept form. Is that clear? I think this also can be done very easily. How is that? Please tell me. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 120. Divide everything by 120, please. Kati auncha? 60. Kati auncha? Kati? 40 is less than or equal to 1. Make the table, everyone. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I think maximum is 80, no? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, tell me what about this first one? The line cuts x-axis at what? 60, and the line cuts y-axis at 40. So this is the line. Answer is what? Inside. What about this? The line cuts x-axis at 50 and the line cuts y-axis at 80. See, they are cutting each other, isn't it? Yes or no? So this is called the feasible region. What is this called, everyone? So the points are known to you. 50. What is this? 0, 0. What about this? 50, 0. And this one, use your graph, or you can use simultaneous equation also. Then you know what you're supposed to do. Corner points. Is it clear? 4 marks for this. I hope you'll be able to do it. Yes or no? Okay, very good. So please, okay, everyone, don't be complacent. Today itself, please complete the videos that I've already sent you 2 videos plus your duita. Is that clear? Okay. Now, okay, I just wanted to explain this part to you. You can get this also, guys. Just see. You can get this. Maximize z equal to 8x plus 9y. Subject to, please. तिम्रो भोलि मेट्रिक्स गर्दिनुहोस् लागिरहेको छ आउँदैनस् लागिरहेको छ आउँदैन भन्नै म आउँदैन Okay. See, because see, out here, this could be one of the questions, probable questions. Why is this difficult? Because of 2 reasons. Number 1, most of you don't know how to plot this. Okay, and number 2, most of you don't know how to do minus that I'm going to teach you. Ready? Okay, first one is simple, intercept form. Divide everything by what? 6. 1, x by 3, y by 2, less than or equal to 1. So from here you can easily make out the line cuts x-axis at 2, line cuts y-axis at. मुझे यहाँ समझ? I hope you understood. समझ में आया? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X at 3 and y at 2. Answer will be inside or outside? Okay, inside. Got it? Guys, what about this? Now you can't use intercept because there's a negative. Is it clear? So use the table method. How do I do that? Take the negative that side. So x equal to 6 plus 2y divided by 3. Is it clear? Now tell me random values of y. Tell me random values of y. Directly 3 bada. 0 y equal to 0. 6 by 3. What is that equal to? 2. Point. So when y is 0, x is 2. Is it clear? Tell me another point. 1. 1 त हुँदैन है 2 1s are 2 6 plus 2 is 8 8 can you divide 8 by 3 not possible 3 3 so what will be x 6 plus 2 into 3 divided by 3 12 by 3 what is that equal to 4 so we have 4 comma so x is 2 y is 0 that means यो नै भइहाल्यो next x is 4 y is 3 that means somewhere out here yes everyone so just draw a line so what does it say inside or outside inside or outside that means you can see this region being made yes or no अब एउटा छ ल ready now y equal to 1 can anyone tell me what is y equal to 1 y equal to 1 is a line perpendicular to जुन चाहिँ भेरिएबल छ त्यहीसँग परपेन्डिकुलर हुनुपर्छ y axis passing through 1 that means this यो लाइन ए don't you see this feasible region ए यहाँनिर के हुन्छ will be feasible region will be somewhere between I have not made the graph properly so it could be out here also is it clear make the graph properly understood so if they tell you x is greater than or equal to 4 can you tell me what will you do a line perpendicular to x axis and passing through that means this line is it clear everyone and whichever region is satisfied by all the lines that common region is that clear is called the feasible region what is that called feasible region okay so LPP also now what about this guys last time I was discussing this specimen paper 2024 what was that 2 columns were given to us temperature and number of ice cream sold number of cones sold so when the temperature was 65 180 cones were sold when it was 75 250 60 160 70 210 80 300 and 70 220 so I'm going to teach you how to solve this type of questions Sanjeev look at the board so we take temperature as x and number of cones as y I'll read the question okay find the regression line they have not told you directly which one to find x on y or y on x using temperature as independent temperature as the first variable is called dependent the variable on the right is called independent if you forget this remember this y equal to fx this is called your independent and this is called your so in this case they are telling us to temperature is independent temperature means x will be this side so the equation has to start with y byx x minus x bar is it clear from here tell me what are the things that you need to find out x bar summation x by n y bar summation y by n so what is x bar please tell me it's got total I will just write down 420 and this is 1320 420 divided by how many are there 6 1320 divided by 6 this is 220 and this is 70 now you know what are the columns that you need to make yes sir what are the columns 3 columns xy x square y square but in this case the data are already large if you just square them again it's going to be very very big so in such situation I told you to convert x into what u x minus x bar v y minus y bar so u and v is done so next column is going to be what uv then it's going to be u square and then it's going to be v square is it clear everyone so accordingly how will the formula change guys I have to find byx so x is in the denominator यहाँ तल x हुनुपर्छ numerator will remain same what's the formula n summation xy that is uv minus summation u summation v this is x that means u so it's going to be n summation u square minus summation u it seems that v square you don't need also is it clear so please practice this also for 4 marks we have done a lot of questions of this form is it clear did you understand this okay in this context only there was one question if you get that it's not difficult but some of you might get confused, that's why I'm doing it. Is it clear? So what was given to us is, everyone, datas were given. What was given, everyone? Summation x minus x bar equal to 77, summation y minus y bar equal to 46, summation x minus x bar whole square equal to 1363, summation y minus y bar equal to 552, summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to 579, and n equal to 10. You have to find bxy and byx. Bxy and who?
So do it y minus y no?
Oh, yo, sorry, square. Okay, in this situation, what you need to do, guys, please listen. Can you tell me what is x minus x bar? What is it? Shh. What is it? So that means indirectly they are telling us this is nothing but, yes, summation e. Y minus y bar. What is it? Summation v. This is summation u squared. This is summation v squared. This is summation u into v. Is it clear? And the same formula you are going to use. I hope you understood this, everyone. So from here, whatever values that are given to you, is it clear? Whatever values are given to you, you can just put the value also. Sometimes, listen, sometimes instead of x bar, they will give you x minus, let us say, 20 or y minus 35. So from here, what can you say? What can you say further? That x bar is how much? 20 and y bar is 35. This also can be concluded further. Is it clear? Yes, we are about to complete. Don't worry. Okay, please see, everyone. Please, 15 marks. Okay, if you get this, then how would you do it? Look up, everyone. Table is given. Series x and y is given to us. This is your mean, and this is standard deviation, and this is correlation. Okay, everyone, bear with me. We are about to complete. 12, and this is 4. This is 0.6. This is given to us. So this is a typical type 2. What is it, everyone? Type 2 of regression. Is it clear? What does it say? Mean of x. Please tell me the notation, everyone. Mean of y. Standard deviation 12. Standard deviation of y 4. Correlation is written as 0.6. So this becomes 6 by 10. That is 3 by 5. You got everything? Yes or no? Now the first question is to find the regression coefficients. Can you tell me what is the formula for the regression coefficients, guys? Bxy. I gave you this before also. So it's going to be what? Sigma x by sigma y. And what about byx? Rho sigma y by, put the value, you can easily get the answer. Second one, they have asked us to find out the value of y when x equal to 20. So if they tell you to find y, what are they telling us to find out indirectly? Y on x. That means you have to find regression equation of y on x. Is it clear? So how do you find regression equation of y on x, guys? Formula, please. Y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus, everything is known to you. We have already found out and got the answer. Is it clear? Okay, this question that you see, everyone, is one of the most frequently repeated ones. Is that clear? Just twice the question was repeated. Okay, twice you got a question of a similar type. Instead of standard deviation, variance was given. What was given? Variance. So what would you do? I'll just explain that also. Okay, this is question number 35. Everyone, see, the correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.6. So what is rho equal to, everyone? 0.6. If the variance of x, var x is 225, var y is 400, var y is 400, mean of x is 10 and mean of y is 20. This is given to us. You have to find the two lines of regression. So regression equation of x on y. What is the formula, everyone? X minus x bar equal to bxy, y minus y1. And tell me what is regression equation of y on x. Y minus y bar equal to byx, x minus x bar. So in this, what is the problem out here? Can anyone identify what is the problem out here?
Variance instead of standard deviation.
The problem is, first you have to find x bar, y bar, that's already known, but bxy and byx. But what is the formula for bxy and byx? Can you tell me? What is the formula for bxy? Rho sigma x by sigma y. Byx rho sigma y by sigma x. But the problem is we don't know the standard deviation. But what is given to us? Variance is given. What is given? Variance. So if variance is given to us, I've already told you the formula. What is variance? Sigma x square. So sigma x is going to be everyone square root of 1 to 225 is 15. Sigma y square equal to 400. So sigma y equal to 20. That's how you find out the standard deviations. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Okay. अब लास्ट जानुभन्दा अगाडि and please listen, last time, okay, I put a lot of effort, found out research garera thaira. I have sent one PDF in which I have written short topics to practice. I hope you have opened that PDF. See out there what are the things that you need to prepare. That is only there. Understood? I'll give you an example from matrix and determinant. The first thing you have to practice is word problems. What do you have to practice? Word problems. 6 marks, and the 4 questions are going to be MCQ types. And that also I have already clearly mentioned. One question you are going to get where they tell you without expanding. Tomorrow we are going to do matrix and determinant also. Is it clear? Those who want to come, please attend the classes. I'll record the video. Better you come. Is it clear? I'll tell you the timing. So before we leave today, I'll just do one question, last one, LPP. Okay? Because this is a 4-mark question. So the only problem is try to do as many questions on LPP as possible. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Ready? Now see. This is also important. That's why I picked up important questions. I'll send the questions in the group only. Is it clear? Okay. The standard weight of a special purpose brick is 5 kg. What is it, everyone? 5 kg. And it must contain 2 basic ingredients, B1 and B2. B1 and B2 cost rupees 5 per kg and B2 cost rupees 8 per kg. Strength consideration dictates that the brick should not contain more than 4 kgs of B1 and minimum of 2 kgs of B2. Since the demand for the product is likely to be related to the price of the brick, find the minimum cost of the brick. You have to find the minimum cost of the brick. Is it clear? This is a very nice question. Minimum. So I hope you understood. No. So they are talking about brick is made up of 2 commodities, products. One is B1 and B2. Let us say cement and sand. Cement and sand used to make brick. Okay. Now, what they are telling us to find out is, since the demand for the product is likely to relate to the price of the brick, minimum cost. What do you have to find, everyone? Minimum cost. Is that clear? So let X kgs of B1 and Y kgs of B2. This is, suppose, let us say cement. What is this, everyone? Cement, and this is sand. We have to minimize the cost. So can you tell me cost? So what is the cost of 1 kg of B1? I'll just read out, okay? Basic ingredients B1 and B2. B1 cost rupees 5 per kg. B1 cost rupees 5 per kg. Is it clear? Just wait for some time. B1 cost rupees 5 per kg. So 1 kg will cost you how much rupees? 5. How many kgs of cement are you buying? Hello? X kgs. So please tell me. 5x. And sand. 1 kg of sand will cost you 8 rupees. So how many kgs of sand are you buying? So it's going to be 8 by. You have to maximize this. What are you supposed to do, everyone? Maximize. I hope you understood this. Okay, now, what is given to us? Okay, the standard weight of the special purpose brick. So the brick is made up of what? Cement and sand. Yes or no? So the total weight, X plus Y, sand and cement, is maximum 5 kg हुनुपर्छ. कति हुन्छ रे? So less than or equal to 5. This is your constraint. What is this, everyone? Constraint. Is it clear? Next up, listen, okay. Strength consideration dictates that the brick should not contain more than 4 kgs of cement. B1. Maximum cement that should be contained in the brick should be 4 kgs. Is that clear? So cement is what? X, yes or no? Maximum less than or equal to 4. The cement, the quantity of cement can't be more than 4 kg. Is it clear? And minimum of, okay, should not contain more than B1 and minimum of 2 kgs of B2. That means minimum sand that should be in the brick must be 2 kgs. 2 kgs. So sand is what? Y now? Minimum means what? Greater than or equal to? Greater than or equal to 2. Is it clear? Can you plot this graph? This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you use this, what do you call? Intercept form. X will cut 5, Y will cut 5. So you paila bhayalyo. Greater than ki less than? Okay, so it's gonna be inside. Okay, यहाँ के भन्दैछ? X 4 भन्दैछ. So 4 मतलब a line यहाँनिर. So when you put 0, 4 is greater than 0, so answer will be what? Inside. Is it clear? Next के भन्दैछ हेर त्यहाँनिर? Y. So it will be somewhere यस्तो खालको. Is it clear? So this will be outside. This will be outside. This says inside. So this is the feasible picture. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Understood? Okay. So please practice. Okay, at the end I just wanted to tell you, please, you have got enough time to practice. Please make use of that. It's useless regretting because I am there to help you. I have told you. See, after completing the entire syllabus, entire videos are there. Still, I am making an effort to revise everything for you all. Please do take advantage of that. Is it clear, everyone? So, you have to go home. Please listen. You have to go home. The videos that I have already sent, please first complete that. Understood? So I'll be uploading this also by evening. I'll upload and I'll send the link in the group and the questions also. Is it clear? Okay, thank you so much. Tomorrow, hello.